TSA bag searches feel random until you understand what the X-ray algorithm and the officers behind it are actually looking for. The bags that get pulled aside and opened aren't chosen at random. They're flagged because something inside created an image that an officer couldn't confidently clear without a physical inspection. Almost every bag search comes back to a handful of specific packing mistakes that produce that unclear image. Fix these and your bag stops getting opened. Like and subscribe before we start. Share this before someone's next airport run, and let's get into it. 1. Packing electronics. Laptops, tablets, e-readers, and other electronics are required to be removed from carry-on bags and placed in a separate bin for screening at standard security lanes. And the reason is that the dense electronic components create a cluttered, hard-to-read X-ray image when layered against clothing and other bag contents. Travelers who leave electronics in the bag create exactly the image that gets flagged. Even with the laptop removed, other dense electronics, a power bank, camera body, or gaming device produce similar X-ray density requiring inspection. Pack all electronics together in a top-of-bag pouch. 2. Tangled, dense cable masses. A loose ball of tangled cables at the bottom of a carry-on bag is one of the most consistent bag search triggers at any checkpoint. The X-ray image of a dense cable tangle looks ambiguous. The irregular shape and metallic content create a visual signature that overlaps with prohibited item profiles in ways that prevent a confident clear. Officers who cannot read the image clearly must physically inspect rather than assume. An organized cable roll, where cables lie flat and separately, creates a readable, non-threatening X-ray image that clears without intervention. The 30 seconds spent organizing cables before packing is one of the highest return packing decisions you can make. 3. Overpacked, compressed bags with no clear layers. When a bag is packed so densely that items are compressed against each other without identifiable separation, the X-ray image becomes a uniform mass of density that officers can't read layer by layer. A well-organized bag with clear zones, clothing in one area, tech in another, produces a readable layered image. An overstuffed compressed bag creates a single undifferentiated block that no officer can confidently clear without opening. This is the packing approach that almost guarantees a hand search on any busy travel day. 4. Food items, packed without separation. Food is one of the most flagged categories at TSA checkpoints in 2026, and the reason is that certain food items have X-ray density profiles that are visually similar to prohibited substances. Blocks of cheese, chocolate bars, dense granola or energy bars, tightly wrapped snack packages, and any food packed in a container that obscures its shape can trigger a secondary inspection. The TSA's own guidance recommends packing food items in a clear bag and keeping them near the top of your carry-on so they can be quickly removed for inspection if needed. Mixing food throughout the bag, a granola bar beside a charger, a sandwich at the bottom, creates an image that requires physical resolution to clear. A separate clear bag for food items near the top of the carry-on resolves this quickly. 5. Books and thick reading material. This surprises most travelers. A stack of books, or even a single thick book packed flat in a carry-on, creates a dense rectangular mass on the X-ray that can obscure whatever is below or beside it in the bag. TSA guidance calls out books as an item that may need to be removed for clearer screening. Standard lane travelers with multiple books should place them at the top of the bag or in a separate bin. 6. Wrapped gifts and opaque packages. Wrapped gifts are one of the most consistent sources of unnecessary bag searches during the holiday travel season. And the rule is simple. TSA will open and unwrap any package they cannot clearly identify through X-ray. The wrapping paper creates an opaque layer that prevents visual identification of the contents, which means the officer cannot clear the package without physical inspection. If the inspection happens and rewrapping is required, it won't be. TSA is not responsible for rewrapping gifts after screening. Pack gifts unwrapped and wrap at the destination or ship them ahead entirely. 7. Loose change and metal clutter. Metal items scattered throughout a carry-on create noise on the X-ray image that makes specific items harder to identify. Loose coins, multiple keys, metal accessories, decorative metal hardware on clothing or bags, and a collection of small metallic items distributed through different pockets create a cluttered visual environment that requires an officer to spend more time on your bag's image. The solution is consolidation. All metal items in one pouch, keys together, coins in a single pocket. The cleaner the metal signature in your carry-on, the faster the image clears. 8. Power banks not declared and positioned correctly. Power banks and lithium batteries are among the most closely examined items at the checkpoint because they are prohibited in checked luggage and restricted in carry-on by watt-hour ratings. A power bank buried in the middle of a packed carry-on bag, surrounded by clothing, creates an image that an officer cannot easily evaluate for compliance. The dense battery cell structure looks ambiguous until it can be isolated and examined. Keep your power bank in an exterior pocket where it is immediately visible. This prevents the officer from opening the rest of the bag to reach it. 9. Liquids not removed or in the wrong container. Liquids that weren't removed before the bag went through the X-ray are flagged on virtually every run. The density of liquids in containers is visually distinct and easy to spot. The secondary trigger is liquids that weren't in the quart bag. A moisturizer in a side pocket, a bottle with liquid remaining. Empty every container and check every pocket before the bag bag goes on the belt. 10. Unclear or ambiguous items with no context. Some items that are completely legal and harmless look alarming on an X-ray because their shape, density, or material composition resembles prohibited items. Stun gun-shaped portable fans, compact tools in unusual configurations, certain medical devices, unique clothing items with dense structural components, and even some souvenirs fall into this category. The X-ray algorithm flags shape and density profiles, not intent. A 10-second declaration before the bag goes through removes the surprise that triggers a full search and usually resolves the situation with a quick visual confirmation from the officer. It costs nothing and saves minutes. 11. Disorganized packing that buries specific items. A bag where every item is thrown in without organization doesn't just create an ambiguous X-ray, it also creates a bag that takes significantly longer to hand search when an officer does open it. An organized bag that gets opened is searched in seconds. A disorganized one is a several-minute process that holds up the lane and leaves the traveler repacking under pressure. Organized packing minimizes the impact of a search as much as it prevents one. A bag that can be searched quickly and repacked easily makes even the worst-case scenario manageable rather than disruptive. 12. Forgetting to remove laptops in standard security lanes. This is the most basic and most frequently committed mistake on this list, and it still happens at scale at every major airport every day. Laptops must be removed from carry-on bags and placed flat in their own bin in standard security lanes. A laptop in the bag creates an image the officer must resolve by opening it, costing everyone time. PreCheck eliminates this requirement entirely, which is one of the clearest arguments for enrollment. 12 specific packing mistakes that consistently result in bag searches, every one of them avoidable with small changes to how the bag is organized before it reaches the checkpoint. The X-ray is looking for density patterns, ambiguous shapes, and obscured contents, and every item on this list creates one of those conditions. The good news is that the same packing habits that prevent bag searches also make you faster through security in general. Organized bags clear quickly. Accessible electronics come out and go back in without slowing the line. Declared unusual items are cleared before anyone has to guess. Pack with the X-ray image in mind, keep your electronics and liquids accessible, organize cables and metal items together, and declare anything unusual before the bag goes through. Security gets faster the moment your bag becomes readable. Hit the like button if this changed how you'll pack for your next trip. Subscribe for practical travel content every week, and share this with the person in your life whose bag gets searched every single time. We will see you in the next one.